Oh, hi. This is my van, Betsy. I didn't actually make her. This was my daughter and boyfriend that actually do camper vans, or do now. And they did this one for us, which we love. We haven't been out in it an awful lot. We've done a couple of festivals. I think one of the nicest things is these seats. They are so comfortable. We'll start at the beginning and they swivel round, and you can actually sort of turn them so they go into like a little bed if you wanted to. Here we have lots of storage, as you can see. This lights up, which is quite nice at night. There's a little glow. So we have lots and lots of storage. The handles are from Norway. They're real reindeer horns. And all this wood is reclaimed wood with lots and lots of sanding went on. We've just got this little cooker. We haven't got an oven, but we manage. And again, we've got lots of little boxes to put all our bits and pieces in. This side is the food area, and then this side we call the clothes area, which is good deep old drawers. You can open them and lock them. So we've got loads of storage. Little fairy lights that light up at night, which is quite nice. And then the bed, which actually is a proper bed. It's a proper mattress, temper foam, which my daughter cut up into 4 pieces, so you can collapse it to have seats there, seats here, and then there's a table that's in the door they made that sits in the middle, and you can put it anywhere else you like as well. And they did this lovely archway which can make you feel quite cosy at night. And in here, it's quite lit up in here, it's quite nice if you want to sit and read. We've got little lights. And then the fridge, we just use a pull-out fridge because then you can take it off to the beach if you want to. And that works very well. What we thought we'd do is, when we rent it out, is a little bit like a hotel. We'd sort of leave the tea, coffee, sugar, some hot chocolate, some biscuits, little pots of jam, little soaps, and then perhaps leave salt, pepper, vinegar. Perhaps just leave these up here. There's washing liquid, vinegar, oil. We've got this book which is called Van Life, Your Home on the Road by Foster Huntingdon, and Betsy is in there on page 80. And there's my daughter Lolin looking at the sea. They're in northern Spain. This is a terrific book.